And I'm back, and what I'm here to do today is to fix a Whirlpool Duet Sport front-load washing machine that's displaying an F-24 error code. Okay, F-24 error code, if you look that up online for a Whirlpool, it'll tell you that's a water temperature sensor indicator fault. Okay, so first thing to do, disconnect the power and turn off the water. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to access that sensor, and it's in behind the back cover. It's on the bottom of the drum. Okay, so what we're going to have to do in this instance is tip the washing machine ahead. And what I've done is I've put a box here, and I've got some... Okay, to access the sensor, what we've got to do is take off the back of the machine. And because this is up on a pedestal, and it's jammed in between the wall here, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to tip the machine forward. And what I've done is I've set up a bucket with a couple of blankets on top here so I can protect the door as I lay it forward. Okay. Okay, so with the machine tipped forward, here's the bottom of the wash drum here. This is the part that contains the water, and the drum that spins is inside of that. Here's the temperature sensor right here, and you see this little blank around it. Now some washers will have a heater, so the heater will go here. This one doesn't have a heater, but if it did, it would go right in this spot here. Okay, so when I've discovered that the F-24 error code means that the sensor's defective, what I thought to do was just disconnect it, and I jumped these two wires together here, thinking that, if this is not reading appropriately, that jumping them together might eliminate that from the circuit and, create the continuity between these two wires and let the washer work for a while. Especially I needed to order a part, and it was going to be a week or so before it got here. So, but I did that, and that didn't change anything. And there is a reason for that. I discovered that the sensor has specific ohms for different water temperatures. There would have to be a certain ohm reading for each temperature being provided to the motherboard for it to function and eliminate that code. Okay. All right. So to get the sensor out, it's just sitting in a rubber grommet. So you just twist it and pull it out like that. Okay. So here's the old sensor and the new sensor side by side. The number for the new one is W10467289. And as you can see right here, there's a little rubber grommet that goes around the sensor. So that just goes into there, like that. And because I'd cut that wire off to try it, I'm going to have to splice that back on, and then we'll put that connector onto the sensor. Okay, with that connector back on there, plug it in. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to put the back on and see if that works. Okay. And that's how that's done. Looks like a fix. There it goes, it's running. No F-24 code. It was the water temperature sensor. That's how you change it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.